squishy Rilakkuma. Hey guys, what's up? And today I am so excited because I just got a Charms LOL package, and yes, I covered up my address with 2 pig stickers. And I ordered $60 worth of squishies, so this video may take a while. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below Rilakkuma Squad if you subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, but anyways, let's get started. So I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, you guys can have the first look inside. Okay, so the first thing oh my god! It's my Kiro Karopi ice cream. Look at the freaking tag. Oh, it's so cute. And his little gold bow chain. It is pretty small, but so cute. So they have like the cinnamon roll design, the Hello Kitty design, the Pom Pom Pure design, like all the Sanrio character designs. But my personal favorite Sanrio character is Kiro Karopi because I love frogs. They're like my favorite animal. I really want a pet tree frog. Oh my god. And just look at how cute it is. Okay, let's squish it. That's pretty slow rising for a Sanrio squishy. Oh my god, I just cannot get over that tag. I think I'm gonna take it out. I don't know. Okay guys, I'm gonna take it out. I just can't. I have to. It is so soft. Oh my god. Okay guys, so here it is out of the packaging. Look at how freaking cute this is. This right here is so soft and textured and nice. The tag once again. Oh my god, I cannot get over it. It's just so cute. I love it. It's adorable. So this is the first thing I got. Okay guys, next thing I pull out is, what's this? Oh my god! Here's the tag. It looks like this one, except it's colored pink. Guys, it's my Kiro Karopi cake. Do you see how cute this is? I picked this one because it was like my favorite like color design and because it's Kiro Karopi. Okay guys, here's a squish with the tag. Has a gold ball chain once again. So cute. That is freaking slow rising. I'm taking this out. Oh my god, it feels amazing. I can't. Oh my god. Okay. Tag, super cute. Look at how detailed. Here's the licensing. Let me squish it. It's so airy. Oh my god. It is so slow rising. I love this so much. Oh my god. And I broke my nail. I'm super sad. Sorry. Oh my god. It's so airy. It feels amazing to squish. It's super slow rising. And it is adorable. What? So that's the second thing I got. So the next thing I pull out, it's my yellow Punimaru Kawaii Easter lamb. Look at it. Oh my god. Let me take it out. So look at that glitter. There is so much freaking glitter in this. How am I going to open this without making a mess? Oh my god. Look at how cute. Okay guys, so I got something to open it over. So, let me just, okay, how am I gonna do this? Okay, guys, I'm gonna open it. Okay, guys, so here's the empty ball. And here is the squishy. What I really love is they put it in packaging so it doesn't get glitter on it, but oh my god, I can feel it from inside the packaging. It is so freaking soft and so cute. Oh my god, I love the yellow design. Oh my god. It like crumbles in your hands, like I'm probably touching it. It's so soft. I can feel it. And guys, I can literally smell it from right here. It smells like lemons. Oh my god, it's such a strong scent. It's so soft. It's so tough. Oh my god. Wait. It smells like lemons. It smells like lemon air freshener. I can smell it from like all the way over here. It smells so good. Okay guys, it's so soft. It's so cute. Kind of looks like a Teletubby. I love it. That is so slow rising. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So I'm going to give you a close-up of the tag. So super cute. And guys, look what it comes with. It comes with this adorable egg charm. Like, what? And look how freaking cute this is. Oh my god. I love it so much. So that was the third squishy I got. Okay, guys, so the next thing I pull out is this my Maru mini strawberry banana. Oh my god. So here's the tag. Super cute. And here's the little charm, which is so cute. It's little. Oh my god. How do I like work this? Like, is the charm and stuff? I don't know. I can smell it from right here. It smells like freaking bubble gum. It smells so good. Okay, guys, so I take it out. I'm gonna leave it in this, so that's why I left like all this stuff. Oh my god. It smells like those watermelon Sour Patch gummies. Oh my god, it's so soft. Whenever I just squish that, the scent like bursted over to my nose. It's so airy, so soft, so nice. Oh my god, I love it. I would say this one has to be my second favorite so far. I love it. Oh! Yeah, guys, this is how I'm keeping it. There's a little rip right here so I can take it out. But... so, yeah, here's all the stuff. It's so cute. And then I pulled out their business card. You should definitely go buy from them. It's amazing. Next thing I pull out is... it's my Snoopy toast. Oh, this is thicker than I expected. Guys, I got the hug design. There was a sandwich design and this design. Oh my god. Look at how cute this packaging is though. Like, oh my god. Packaging, so that's nice. Let me just open this up. Is it scented? No, it's not scented. It comes with a ball chain already on. Oh my god, guys. This is like, it's like really thick. I didn't expect it to be this thick. Oh my god. It is licensed by Peanut. I already have a Peanuts licensed squishy. I got it from Kawaii. Guys, this is amazing. And I love Snoopy. I used to watch it like all day, every day when I was really little. Oh my god, I love this so much. This is like amazing. Like, god, I didn't even have words. Like, it's so squishy. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh! So here's what the packaging looks like. And here's the back. I love the packaging. I'm definitely keeping it in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna squish it in packaging for those of you who like that. So amazing. And the last thing I pull out is my Mother Garden toast. So I got the bunny design. I personally love Mother Garden squishies. They're like so cute. And I saw a video on this, and so I went and I saw that they had it on their Charms LOL website. And like, oh my god, I need this. It looked so nice. Look at this packaging. Like, it's just normal packaging, but like, I just love it. I don't know. Oh my god. Look at that. That's amazing for a thin squishy. Oh my god, it's so soft. It doesn't have a scent, but it like smells good. Oh, it's so cute. Let me squish it. Oh my god. Guys, this is so cute. You should definitely buy this. I very recommend it. So cute. I love it. Guys, if I were to rate this squishy a 1 out of 10 on cuteness and stuff, I would rate it definitely a 9. Oh my god. I love it so much. Like, I can't even talk. It's like, I've never been so happy. Like, it's so cute and squishy. And the last thing I pull out is this order confirmation sheet. Okay guys, so this is what I ordered. Amazing. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, because I definitely enjoyed. And bye.